The monastery of Mount St. Benedict in Tunapuna, founded in the year 1912, is the first Benedictine monastery established in the Caribbean and Central America. The early pioneers, led by the visionary Dom Mael de Caini, came from the ancient Abbey of San Sebastian in Bahia, Brazil, which itself is the first Benedictine monastery founded in the New World. The present community at the Mount owes it to the founders and to you, the pilgrims who visit the Abbey for solace, to ensure that the ambience of peace and stability is preserved. In spite of these very difficult times during the COVID-19 pandemic, the monks continue to ensure that the legacy of peace, solitude, and devotion are jealously guarded and maintained for the present and future generations of monks, and for you, your children, your grandchildren, and beyond. We invite you to be part of this noble venture through your continued prayerful support. Our most immediate project is the replacement of a major portion of the roof over the Abbey. If you would like to lend financial support to this venture, kindly visit the Abbey to make an offering or simply make a transfer of funds to our RBC Royal Bank account in St. Augustine. Please indicate clearly your name. Your name, along with other donors, will be placed in our house chapel on the altar before the Blessed Sacrament Tabernacle, from where your intentions will be lifted up to the Lord by the monks. God bless you.